We have enough time to prepare for the Ginebra game and try to see how far this takes us. Sabi ko nga, naka-anim na panalo kami, 7 hinahabol namin para siguradong nasa quarters ka at makaiwas ka rin sa 7 and 8. So yung Ginebra game namin, yun yung pang-7 panalo namin kung sakali, kung kakayanin. Pero subukan natin. Ganda rin ang nilalaro ng Ginebra. Pero ako naman, ang laki ng tiwala ko dito sa team namin. As long as, sabi ko, as long as we're competing, we should be okay. Yung last 2 games namin, medyo half-hearted yung pag-compete namin. Hindi kami kasing diin, hindi kami kasing determinado. Siguro nakakabuti rin yung may losing streak ka. It's a wake-up call, it's a way to reset your mindset. So, nakabuti rin sa amin.